Hello everyone, today we will be learning how to make predictions using linear regression. This project's been contributed by Rakirat, Josiah and me. First I want to show our CSV file. It has 7 columns and 50 rows. Each column represents the cities and each row represents crime rates in each city. And let's get back to our code. First thing we want to do is we want to import the libraries that we're going to use, which are pandas, numpy and sklearn. And then we would like to import the CSV file and print the first 5 rows. Let's do that as well. And here we have the first 5 rows of our data set, and then we want to print the shape of it, and it is 50 rows and 7 columns. And now we want to print the statistics about the data frame using the describe function, and we have the each city as a column, and we have the count, mean, 25%, 50%, etc. And we are checking if there are any non-values. We're using the is null, and we don't have any non-values, which is great. And then we would like to rename our columns to these values, and we would like to import our CSV file again, but change the names of our columns, and then print the first 5 rows. And once we run it, we can see that the column names have been changed to the values we wanted. And over here we're plotting the data. Our first chart, it's a histogram chart. We have the title as cities and crime numbers. Our X label is crime number and our Y label is city. And this is the output we get. We have the city right here. There are 7 cities and crime numbers, which goes as high as up to 3,500. And we are going to plot the other data. This is going to be hex bin plot. We are going to print our second city. This city usually ranges in crime between 0 to 1,500. However, though, it went up as high as 3,500. And over here we're separating the target and the features. We would like to use city 4 and city 7 are X and Y. And then we are splitting our data into 70% training and 30% testing. We're using the test size, and we're setting the randomness involved in the model to 42 with random state, and then we're printing the X train, and we get an array of bunch of numbers. And then we are going to train our linear regression model, and after that we would like to fit the line into our data, and this is what we get. And now we want to calculate the slope, and when we're predicting the crime, we use the predict function, and we use the intercept value, and once we run that we get an output of minus 11.25. And over here we are comparing the actual data and the predicted data. In order to do that, we are getting our the actual values, and we are getting the predicted values and comparing it, both of them. And once they printed, the actual data is on the left side, on our left-handed side. This is the data from the CSV file, and on the right-hand side we have the predicted values. These are made based on our linear regression, and they are pretty close to each other. And over here we're evaluating the model with mean squared error, and we are checking how close the regression line is to the set of points. And once we run it, we get a mean squared error of 19.20. Thank you everyone for watching.